Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 10 top stories we are covering today. Two jump trading stars are leaving the quant giant, exiting one of its most profitable units. Two top researchers at Jump Trading Group, Yiming Zhang and Darko Kirovski, have left the firm after 17 years. Both were influential in Jump Core Strategies, a high-frequency trading unit known for its profitability. The exact destination of the departing researchers is unknown. Using metal screws in plastic parts. A recent video by Lost in Tech highlights two distinct types of metal screws designed for use with plastic parts. The video also showcases thermal camera shots and torque driver tests demonstrating the effectiveness of these screws in 3D printed materials. A free online tool is available to simplify the process of selecting the correct screw and accommodating it in prints. Companies are hoarding AI compute because of FOMO, and they're sitting on most of it. New data reveals that companies are hoarding artificial intelligence, AI compute power due to fear of missing out FOMO, with an average of 95 of provisioned GPU capacity sitting idle. According to the report, GPU utilization is at just 5, while CPU utilization is similarly low at 8. The unused computing power can result in significant waste, especially for premium GPUs like Nvidia's Blackwell chips. The radio state machine. CSS state management can be effective for purely visual UI states, such as panel opening or icon appearance changes. The Boolean solution, showcased through the checkbox hack, is a well-known example of keeping logic in CSS to manage these types of states. The AI tech my dad helped pioneer is now the foundation for the tools I build at AT&T. Natalie Gilbert, a 30-year-old data scientist at AT&T, has built her generative AI tools using the same foundation her father Mazin Gilbert pioneered in speech recognition. Her father's work with convolutional neural networks, which process inputs like images and sound, has enabled autonomous AI agents. Tim Cook's legacy is turning Apple into a subscription. Tim Cook's tenure as Apple CEO will be marked by operational efficiency, financial growth, and significant expansion of the company's services business, which includes iCloud, App Store, Apple Music, and more. Under Cook's leadership, Apple services revenue reached an all-time high of $30 billion in Q4 2025, a 14% increase from the previous year, with services generating over $109 billion in FY 2025. Microsoft shivs OpenAI with 3 new AI models for speech and images. Microsoft released 3 machine learning models for speech recognition, synthesis, and image generation in public preview on its Foundry platform. The models, MAI Transcribe 1, MAI Voice 1, and MAI Image 2, are designed for enterprise use cases, such as building customer support agents. This move makes Microsoft a direct competitor to OpenAI, which also offers similar AI models. Apple Mac Pro fades into oblivion. Apple has discontinued its Mac Pro line, confirming to 9 to 5 Mac that it will not be replaced. The modular professional tower system was last updated with an M2 Ultra processor in 2023, but never gained traction due to limitations in Apple's system-on-chip strategy and a narrow focus on specific industries such as video production. Llama now runs faster on Macs thanks to Apple's MLX framework. Llama, an app for running AI models locally on computers, has released an update that leverages Apple's MLX framework, resulting in a significant speed boost on Macs with Apple Silicon. The update processes prompts 1.6 times faster and generates responses nearly twice as fast, particularly benefiting Macs with M5 series chips. Autonomous coin flipper flips expensive coin. Terence Grover built an autonomous online coin flipper to flip a 1,000 commemorative piece available only to Monegasque nationals. The device uses a 12-volt solenoid, Raspberry Pi-based computer vision system, and machine learning algorithm to classify the result as heads or tails. It successfully ran autonomously for 50,000 flips on a live stream without issue. Please like, subscribe, and comment your views on this channel.